Garden borders often define the structure of a landscape. They guide the eye, soften hard edges, and connect different planting areas. But a border can quickly lose its impact if plants bloom only briefly. That is why many gardeners choose perennials that flower for long periods of time. These plants bring consistent color and help borders remain vibrant through the entire growing season. In this video, we explore border perennials that are known for blooming throughout summer while requiring relatively little care. First, catmint. Catmint, botanically known as Nepeta, is one of the most reliable border perennials for long flowering seasons. Soft lavender blue flowers begin appearing in late spring and often continue well into late summer. The plant forms a relaxed mound that gently spills along the edge of garden beds. A light trim after the first bloom often encourages a second wave of flowers. Catmint thrives in full sun and grows well in USDA Zones 3 through 8. Second, Coreopsis. Coreopsis is known for producing bright yellow flowers that resemble small daisies. The blooms appear in early summer and continue for many weeks. Its airy stems allow it to blend naturally with neighboring plants in mixed borders. Regular deadheading helps extend the flowering display. Coreopsis performs well in USDA Zones 4 through 9. Third, Salvia nemorosa. Salvia nemorosa adds vertical interest to borders with upright flower spikes. Deep purple or blue blooms appear in late spring. After cutting back the spent stems, the plant usually produces a second flush of flowers in midsummer. The aromatic foliage also helps deter certain pests. Salvia nemorosa grows reliably in USDA Zones 4 through 8. Fourth, blanket flower. Blanket flower, or Gaillardia, is well known for its vibrant red and yellow blooms. These warm colors add energy to summer borders. The plant thrives in sunny conditions and tolerates heat very well. It also performs surprisingly well in poor or sandy soils. Gaillardia grows successfully in USDA Zones 3 through 10. Fifth, yarrow. Yarrow produces flat clusters of flowers that sit above finely textured foliage. The blooms appear in early summer and often last into early fall. It is highly drought-tolerant once established. The soft foliage texture contrasts nicely with bolder border plants. Yarrow grows well in USDA Zones 3 through 9. Sixth, coneflower. Coneflower, also known as echinacea, is a classic American prairie perennial. Large, daisy-like flowers bloom throughout summer. The strong stems make it an excellent anchor plant in border plantings. Seed heads remain attractive later in the season and also attract birds. Coneflowers grow well in USDA Zones 3 through 9. Seventh, black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan, or Rudbeckia, brings bright golden color to borders in midsummer. The dark center cone creates a striking contrast with the yellow petals. This perennial handles heat and humidity without difficulty. It is also very adaptable to different soil types. Rudbeckia thrives in USDA Zones 3 through 9. Eighth, hardy geranium. Hardy geraniums are valued for their long blooming window and spreading habit. Certain varieties can bloom from late spring until the first frost. The plant forms low mounds that help fill gaps in borders. It adapts well to both sunny and partially shaded locations. Hardy geraniums grow best in USDA Zones 5 through 8. Ninth, agastache. Agastache produces tall flower spikes in shades of purple, orange, and pink. The blooms appear in early summer and continue through the warmer months. Pollinators are strongly attracted to the nectar-rich flowers. The lightly scented foliage also adds another sensory layer to the garden. Agastache performs well in USDA Zones 5 through 10. 10th, Scabiosa. Scabiosa is often recognized by its distinctive pincushion-shaped flowers. These blooms appear continuously through summer when spent flowers are removed. The plant stays relatively compact, making it useful near the front of borders. It prefers sunny locations and well-drained soil. Scabiosa grows well in USDA Zones 3 through 7. 11th, Veronica. Veronica produces slender flower spikes that rise above dense foliage. Blooming begins in early summer and can continue with proper maintenance. The plant maintains a tidy clumping shape that fits well in structured borders. It also attracts bees and butterflies during the flowering period. Veronica grows best in USDA Zones 4 through 8. Garden borders benefit from plants that provide consistent color and reliable growth. Perennials that bloom for extended periods help reduce maintenance while keeping the garden visually active. Over time, these plants establish stronger root systems and become even more dependable in the landscape. If you enjoy calm and practical plant guides like this, consider subscribing to the channel. New videos explore reliable plants, garden structure, and long-lasting landscape design